Okay, back in action, working on Lake Wylie today. Not a major job, but I'm on Lake Wylie, man. I gotta make a video. I'm gonna put these two deck boxes, I'm gonna install them to the boards. I put them together at home. I had to order these through Amazon, but I'm gonna lock these down so nobody can steal them or the wind blow them off. Got one over here, back over here, and then we're gonna put some rope in between these posts all the way up. Let's see, here's the rope that I've got. I think it's really big. I think it's 2 inches. I don't think I got 3 inch. Let's see. Anyway, I'm gonna start working on that. But of all the places you have to work, this ain't a bad one. All right, they're all done. Wasn't a whole lot to this. These are all just attached with 3-inch screws. And you can get, so I can do this without dropping my phone. I put a 3-inch screw in that. I put electrical tape on here just to hold that all, keep it from fraying. But then there's 3-inch screws running through here, all the way around on each side. Now normally I would have this at 35 inches, but the top of the post aren't but about 35 inches themselves. So I just kind of rolled it down in there. But I got 3 wraps at each spot, right on down the line. Nothing to it, man. Oh, I cut the rope with these loppers, and that worked really well. And again, you can see how big this rope is. I guess it's about 2 inch in diameter. But nothing to it, man. It's worked out even easier than I expected. I'm gonna get these boxes screwed in. I'm gonna see if I can get, which one is it? This post right here is leaning. I'm gonna see if I can get that worked out. Other than that, that's all she wrote. Got a bird eased up in here, taking a gander. Alrighty then, another Life in the Outdoors video, all roped up. How about that house? Alrighty, peace out.